Hey everybody, and welcome back. So today we are going to be discussing about TurboTax versus HR and H&R Blocks versus TaxSlayer. Which one is going to be the best for you? Now we can see if you talk about TurboTax, it is best for ease of use and guidance, and H&R is good in hybrid and online and in-person features. Then we have TaxSlayer, which is budget conscious, as you can see over here. Now, if we're talking about the pricing, you're going to be finding the maximum pricings in TurboTax. We have moderate pricing in H&R Block. Then we have TaxSlayer with the lowest pricing available. We also have user interface. Intuitive interview style are offered in TurboTax. We have a clean and straightforward in H&R and no frills basically in TaxSlayer. Finally, if we talk about free edition, TurboTax have the free edition, but the offers and the features are going to be very limited. So if you want to go with the free one, you can choose H&R Block. So yeah, I hope this helps. See you in the next one.